Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Ms. Bohemia, and today I'm jumping back in with the Kinder Beauty Box. I'm here to show you my December 2021 boxes, yes, boxes plural, and my January 2022 box. There's an update. I have a full video on the Kinder Beauty Box here, but it's basically a cruelty-free, vegan, healthy schmelthy, clean ingredient, amazing subscription box. They have a monthly plan, a 3-month prepay, and a 6-month prepay, but then when Black Friday hit, they came up with a 1-year prepay option, and oh my god, I had to do it. The monthly plan is $26 a month, the 3-month prepay is $24 a month, the 6-month prepay is $23 a month, and the 1-year prepay was basically $22 a month, though they advertised it as $21.99, which made it sound so much better, and of course, like a doofus, I upgraded. But the cool thing was when I upgraded, they basically cancel your 6-month plan, prorating it for the box that you already got, and then they charge you for the 1-year plan. And the fact that I upgraded meant that, again, I got yet another bonus box. If you saw my previous box for the November Kinder Beauty box, which was my very first official month with Kinder Beauty, I got a bonus box for signing up. And so since I signed up, I guess, for a year plan, they gave me another bonus box, which is super cool. And this one was valued at $185. My original video that I already linked to before, and it's also linked to below, will have all the FAQ details, etc. So watch that for all the Kinder Beauty Box details, or check them out at their website, linked to right here and below. Here they are! Out of these two December boxes, I am not quite sure which one is the bonus box, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna look at every single product and ooh and ah away. And I'm doing the December and January boxes together because, you know, it was the holidays for the December box, and then UPS was delayed. I don't know why, so it took forever for the Kinder Beauty boxes to get to me. And then a week later, I got the January one, so I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna tackle them all 3 boxes in one video. This box is called Golden Hour. And what does it have? Pacifica Sun and Skincare Sport Protection with an SPF 50. Water resistant for up to 80 minutes. Elikia Beauty Illuminateur. Natural, vegan, and eco-friendly. I don't know what that is though. What is this? I have no idea what this is. I don't know what an Illuminateur is. Bima Kaimara Sponjo Konjac Sponge. Biodegradable. Comes with a little string. You want to soak it in water for 3 to 5 minutes. Gently massage your face or body in a circling motion. Wash after use, rinse, and let it dry. Interesting. Catalyst, thirst quenching eye mask. Ancient clay soap, peppermint oil. So that was the December box 1. Here is box 2. Ma Soiree nail wraps in golden. I do like nail wraps. Earth Harbor Cloudburst Balancing Gel Hydrator. I want to see what it smells like. Oh my god, this smells so amazing. What is a hydrator? This came in my box outside of the 2 boxes, so I don't even know. It's not listed as being part of this, so it may have been accidentally included, so I got a bonus. Earth Harbor Sapphire Sea Retinol Digital Serum. I don't think it was meant to be one of my boxes, but thank you. Artist Couture Diamond Lights Finisher in Golden Hour. Franklin and Whitman Oak Lane Face Mask. And Shikai Barrage Therapy Lotion. And on to the January box, which looks like this. I received the Fresh Start box. It has a Franklin and Whitman Vitamin C Eye Serum, Jubel Naturals Daily Dew Moisturizing Oil Elixir, Sukin Original Hydrating Mist Toner, Rosatique Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Mask, Peak Beauty Metallic Matte Quick Drying Blush. I was trying to hold everything in my hands and I can't, but basically all these products, which are over 3 boxes because I did get a bonus box, for $42. It's amazing. And that marks the end of my Kinder Beauty box update. What does February have in store? Stay tuned or go to their website and check them out. That's it for today. Simple, to the point, just sharing what I got. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more. And thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. See you in my next one. Ciao for now.